Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to change language in Blue Wallet application. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, find and open Blue Wallet application on a device. Now, click on the three dots which is at the top right corner of your screen. And at the third option, you can see language. Click on it. After that, select any language from here. Now, you can see that the language has been changed. So, that is how you can change the language of Blue Wallet account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.